There is this macro, number that we have to keep an eye out on, and that's the rupee, which is at a record low today. We've seen 84.7 being hit today, and this also comes in amidst a whole host of worries that are coming in from the US, the mother market, because Donald Trump, who will be assuming office very soon, is now already talking about how he is threatening about tariff wars and imposing 100% tariffs on the BRICS nations. That would include even India. And this, if these countries plan to move away from the use of US dollar in international transactions. Many of these BRICS nations have already expressed their viewpoints on reducing their reliance on the US dollar based transactions. Now, I want to understand, what are these tough statements really going to be doing to the rupee back home, and how is a weaker rupee going to really impact the markets overall, and any key pockets that will be most affected that investors really need to keep an eye out on and be cautious about too?
I think you rightly said Trump is using this as a negotiating instrument to make sure he will be ruling the world. The way how he has said to increase the tariff on China, Mexico, and Canada. And obviously, India name was not taken, but yesterday with the BRICS nation under pressure, saying that you should not go out of the dollar business. But obviously, yes, India is a great partner for US. It may not affect so much as other countries may get affected. I think even once Trump gets into the seat of the president, Modi will obviously have one first meeting of his newly elected president, and then he will be negotiating his own give and takes in terms of imports and export. Obviously, the most affected would be the IT as a sector, and second, pharma as a sector. But if you see today again, pharma is really come up with so strongly from the bottom levels. If you see Sun Pharma again, it is trading in a positive way. Overall, I feel India can be exempted in the the way how Trump is giving the pressure on the dollar as well as the tariff pressure. So India may get a benefit of advantage where the relation between America and US will help India to perform well in this pressure.
Ladies and gentlemen, these are all statements made by a person who is yet to assume the chair of presidency, and he is doing all that he can to sort of make the present incumbent, which is Mr. Biden, look bad. So 100% tariff and denial of markets in the US as far as Indians are concerned is going to backfire. Look at how Indian IT supports corporate America. Look at how pharma is primarily dependent on Indian drug makers. So this is all good to write on Twitter, but to deliver it requires a different level of understanding, and no such thing is happening. Nobody can put in 100% tariff barrier and then make his own economy uncompetitive. These are good things to talk about, but will they happen? Unlikely.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.